I am here today with a new chapter, that is chapter number 5. So the name of the chapter is Powers and Exponents. Power means, dear student, it is not about energy, it is not about muscle power. Okay, here in mathematics, powers means the number which we write in the upper side. Suppose, as for example, 5 to the power 4. Here, if we write any number in this way, small number in upper side, it is called exponent or powers, and this number is called base. Okay, dear student, suppose if the number is 2 square, isn't it? We write 2 square in this way. Now this 2 is what? This 2 is called, dear student, it is called base, B-A-S-E, base, and this small number is called power or exponent. It is called what? Either it is called power or exponent. So I hope so it is clear. Here 5 to the power 4 means 5, here it is base. The base is 5, and what is the power here or exponent? 4. This 4 is power or exponent. Okay. Now dear student, there are certain rules that we should follow while solving the questions on this exercise. Now what are those rules? If you follow these rules, if you keep these rules in your mind, then you can do any sum related to this chapter. It will be very easier for you. Now what are those rules? You can see these rules. You please note down at your copy. Rule number 1. A to the power m. Here A signifies base. Okay, here A means base. It can be what? Suppose A to the power m into A to the power n. A to the power a into A to the power n. Here A means, I said, base. Now you see, both the base are same. That means what? If I write 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 2. Now here you see both the base are same. If both the base are same and it is multiplication. In multiplication, if both the base are same, you will write base only one time, and power, what you are going to do? You are going to add the power 5, and this 3 power is 2. So it will be what? 3 to the power 5 plus 2, 7. Your answer will be this. That means what? In multiplication, if both the base are same, here you can see both you have A, both the base are same, you are going to write base one time, and power, what you are going to do? You are going to add the power, that is m plus n. So what your answer will be? A to the power m into A to the power m, and your answer will be A to the power m plus n. Now condition number 2. Here we have talked about multiplication. Now let's talk about division. What happens if you have divide sign? If you have divide sign, in case both the base are same, in multiplication what we did? We have added the power. But in division, what are we going to do? In division, in the case of division, if our base are same, then we are going to subtract the power. So if we subtract 5 minus 2, our answer will be 3, isn't it? So what can we learn? That in division, if the base are same, we are going to write base only one time, and power, what we are going to do? We are going to subtract the power. So A to the power m divided by A to the power n, your answer will be A to the power m minus n. In base are same, in case of division, powers are subtracted. If base are same, in case of multiplication, powers are added. Now A to the power m whole thing to the power n. It means what, dear student? A to the power m. A to the power m whole thing to the power n. It means what? A means, you can say, take 5, and power if it is 2, and like this bracket given, and outside bracket you have again power 3. So that means what? You have to multiply these 2 power. These 2 power will be multiplied. You will write base one time, and these 2 and 3 will be multiplied. Answer will be 5 to the power 6. So what we can know? That if base are same, and if the powers are given in this way, you have to multiply it. M into n, it will be mn. Okay. Now dear student, you see number 4. In number 4, A to the power minus m. A to the power minus m. That means here your base is given, but power is given in minus. If you have the power minus sign, what you are going to do? You are going to write the base in denominator. If you are going to write the base in denominator, what will be the numerator? Numerator will be 1, and this minus sign will be removed and you will write m. Okay, that means what? This minus sign means your base will come in the denominator. When you write the base in the denominator, you will remove the minus sign. You will not give any more minus sign. And what you are going to put in the numerator? 1. So your answer will be what? A to the power minus m means 1 by a to the power m. Is it clear? Now next, rule number 5. A to the power 0. Here a means any base. Okay, always remember a means base. A to the power 0. Now let us take the base as 5. 5 to the power 0. Here let us take 700 to the power 0. Let us take here 5000 to the power 0. So remember student, whenever our power is 0, the value always comes to 1. It does not matter whatever number is given in your base. If you see, if you have the power 0, always write the answer as 1. That means what? Remember this line. Anything to the power 0, remember this line always. Anything to the power 0, comma, answer is always how much? 1. Anything to the power 0, answer is always 1. So 5 to the power 0, answer is 1. 700 to the power 0, answer is 1. 5000 to the power 0, answer 1. 1 lakh to the power 0, your answer will be 1 itself. Okay. So anything to the power 0, answer is 1. So a to the power 0 means answer is 1. Now dear student, here you see a to the power m into b to the power m. Here what? Now next you see a to the power m into b to the power m. Here in this case we see that our base are different. Here we can see our base are different. Here it is a, here it is b. Let us take the base as 5 and here let us take it as 3. Here our base are different. Okay, but powers are same. Powers are same. Here you see 3, 3. This example means this line. Base are different base but similar power. What you have to do? You have to take this base under bracket. Okay, you have to write the base under bracket. Both sides you have to give bracket. Then the powers are same. You have to write only one time outside. That means what? This 3 is the power of 5. Also this 3 is the power of 3. Okay, that means what? 5 3 ja, answer will be 5 3 ja 15 to the power whole thing to the power 3. Okay, or 15 to the power 3. So same way what you can do here, different base, put the base under bracket a into b but similar power. So write the power outside. Okay, so a to the power m into b to the power m, your answer will be within bracket a into b whole thing to the power m. Now a to the power 1 means here a to the power 1. A denotes any number. A denotes any number. So any number to the power 1. Okay, any number to the power 1, answer is always that number itself. So anything to the power 1, answer is always that number. Okay, so a to the power 1, answer will be a itself. So I hope so these rules are clear to you. I want you all to write down these rules at your copy and do understand it clearly. Okay, practice again and again by writing at your copy these all rules and try to clarify it. Have you understood?